Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I'm a full-time trader and also a mentor in the crypto and Forex market. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin, and I'm also in a separate video going to go over some altcoins, so don't miss that video. If you're interested in learning this for yourself, there's a link in the description below for my course. Also, I go live every single day or update via Loom video in the Discord. Very affordable. The link for that is in the description below also. So let's get started. All right, so I am on the 4-day time frame. That's just so I could fit this in. This is the bull scenario. The moving average in white is the 20 weekly. I have it set where this is the level for the weekly, even though I'm on the 4-day. As you can see in this bullish scenario, if Bitcoin were to pull back to its 20 weekly moving average for this orange wave 2, it would still be bullish. It is not until Bitcoin breaks 43,500, right around that area, this correction, that it would be a market structure break. What do I mean by a market structure break? It would mean that Bitcoin is no longer correcting just this leg, that Bitcoin is correcting potentially this entire leg. We would flip to an alternative bullish option if that were to happen, and we would call this entire leg a wave 1, and that it's pulling back for a wave 2. We would only flip to that option if it breaks 43,500. As it currently stands, I am looking at this as a nest of 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So with that being said, hopefully Bitcoin will hold 43,500 and push up for a third wave, a fourth, and a fifth. That will be the internal degree of this yellow third. I've got an approximate target, and this is the minimum of 153,000. It would then pull back for a fourth, holding this fourth wave territory, and push up for a fifth for the white third with an approximate target of 235. Any one of these legs could be shorter or get overextended. As it gets going, targets will become easier. We will pull back for the white fourth and the white fifth. So right now, all Bitcoin needs to do is use the top of this channel, either hold where it is, and we'll talk about that more on a lower time frame, or when it pulls back, hold 43,500 and not break market structure. All right, so now that we're a little closer, I'm counting this wave as a 5-wave move. As you can see, we are just now coming into time to the minimum time frame it should take to correct this entire leg. Also, this pullback, this first dump that Bitcoin make, it hit the 236. Obviously, Bitcoin can pull back much deeper as long as it doesn't come through this correction area. That would be a market structure break. It is very typical in bull runs to make these upward type of corrections, continuing the higher highs and higher lows. Bitcoin can continue to make an upward correction here. That is really what we want to see. We want Bitcoin to protect this wick low and create a higher low and keep these higher highs and higher lows going. But if Bitcoin was to break down and break this wick and come deeper, we just need it to hold the 618 and approximately 43,500 where this support line is. All right, so now that we're in a little closer and can take a look at this correction, what does Bitcoin need to do? Bitcoin needs to get up and over the 618, sitting at approximately 70,000. 70,647, this wick high. In bull runs, crypto or Bitcoin loves to keep the higher highs and the higher lows going. That would be extremely bullish if Bitcoin can protect this wick low. Currently, I see this correction as a W or an A wave. This moved to the upside as a B wave or an X wave. If this move to the downside is a Y, it can get very complex, meaning that Bitcoin could give this little move a partner, make this a bigger connector, and then give this leg a additional leg, making a Y wave. But the whole goal here is to protect this wick low if we want to keep the higher highs and higher lows going. Bitcoin does have a chance right now to make this leg the start of something and to take off bullish. Once it's over the 618, it has a better chance of making this the start of something. But this correction can get much bigger and more complex. If Bitcoin does break this wick low, the next level down is this correction. If that correction gets broken, then the next correction is the 43,500 area. This would be the line in the sand. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about the way that I trade and look at things, come and think about the Discord, and I will see you in the next one.